Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Port Salerno local and long distance movers near me. For local moves, local movers are the best. While movers who focus on other types of moves can sometimes help, proven professional local movers will help you better because it is their area of expertise. For the best local moving experience in Port Salerno, FL, we recommend the services of Port Salerno local TM movers. Let our local movers take the stress off your shoulders and help you settle in better while you check out some of the exciting spots in the city. Suppose you are moving to another state and need the best service for an interstate move. It would be best to consider the services of Port Salerno 3 Movers. Port Salerno 3 Movers has the best long-distance movers in the state. With a long-distance team familiar with all the rigors of long-distance moves, letting Port Salerno Long-Distance 3 Movers handle your move is the best bet for a safe and hitch-free long-distance move to your new home. With double wrapping and other safety measures to guarantee the safety of your belongings, Port Salerno Long-Distance 3 Movers is your top choice for any long-distance move, whether outside the state or a far distance within the state. Whichever one it is, we have the best team for you. Also, our services are affordable, so you do not have to break the bank to get the best help for your moving needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Port Salerno moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.